Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer a domain to another registrar on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to transfer a domain to another registrar in GoDaddy. So how can we do that? Of course, the first thing we would like to do is go to the GoDaddy domain portfolio. Of course, you'll not need this page. We'll have to open a new page. And now here type dcc.godaddy.com and hit the enter button. And of course, if they ask you to log in back into your account, make sure to do that. It will not take a lot of time from you. And here you will normally find all of your domain names that you have in your account. Of course, just select the ones that you would like to transfer to another registrar. And from there, if you have, of course, here the option of transfer to another account, just select this. If you don't, click at this more option or the three dots and make sure to click at this transfer to account. Here, they will actually ask you to enter the recipient's email address and, of course, re-enter it so you don't make any mistake. And of course, those two options, the first option are actually necessarily best. The last option is just optional. You can fill it or if you want, and you can leave it like that. Of course, here the last thing that you'd like to do is just do want to copy the current domain contact information to the new account. If you want, make sure to select yes, and if you don't want to, make sure to select no. And of course, once you finish, click at the send transfer request, and it will not take more than 1 day. So that will be it for you. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.